Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Creative Times 147th edition release, YouTube Hop as well as Instagram Hop. So all of the links will be down below to the ladies here and on Instagram. And then also my Creative Time will be having her Black Friday sale. So I'll have all of the information come across the screen right about now. So make sure you have chosen the codes that you would like to use, because those are the ones that are available this time around. Also, make sure you leave a comment on each of the designers' YouTube channels as well as the Instagram information, so that you have a chance to win $50 gift certificate this time. She won't have a release next month, so she's doing a $50 gift certificate. And if I'm not mistaken, she's going to announce the winners on December 13th, if I'm not mistaken. So just keep an eye out for that. And I think I got everything out of the way, so let's go ahead and do a recap real quick. Any additional information that you need, just go back and check out the previous videos. Okay, so starting out, we're going to start out with this one. This is the Fairy Santa hat dies. 3 in this. Coordinates with the fairies or anything you'd like to put with these hats. Super cute. These are free while supplies last. So make sure you get your order in there. She will be putting those into the store as well, but they just won't be in there right away. We also have the fun size scallop ginger bow, and hopefully you can see those. And I'm sure you've been checking out all of the projects that the design team has created. Super cute, oh my gosh. And then these are the Christmas icons, really cute stamp set. The mini layered bow dies as well as the fun size bow dies, so you'll get 5 in each set, so it'll be like these 5 and then these 5. And those are separate, sold separately. I just got them stored that way. And then the more cocoa mugs and stuff. You'll have the larger cup as well as the smaller cup. And then she also did an extra layering piece for the cup that she released last month. So you'll get that in this set as well. And this, if I'm not mistaken, is also together. So that's more cocoa mugs and stuff. And she released these beautiful postage, the circle postage dies. Really nice. 6 on this. I have 6 here. It'll come in a set, but I have 6 here, and then the circles that coordinate with that's on the back. But it is a set. She also released this circle card front dies, and these coordinate with your 3x3 and 4x4 card base dies, along with this set too. So really cute, like those. And then she also has the oval postage dies, and this will come 8 in the set. And I didn't talk about the little hole that it cuts into there, but the largest one here will cut a hole in the center of that postage, and then on the circles it'll cut down to about the 3rd or 4th one, and then they impress into the card after that. This adorable gingerbread house dies, and this is gingerbread house 2. Really cute, I love it. I turned it into a 3D treat box, and so this is really nice. And then there goes the back side there. Really nice. This set here, which was the gingerbread house border dies, and I used this on a 3D treat box as well. But anyways, let's recap everything that I made for this week. Let's start out with these 2 tags. I've been really trying to focus on some tags, so I need some this year. I think I'll be buying more presents than passing out gift cards this year. So I just wanted to try and get some tags in, but love how this turned out. Just so cute. I used that little mini bow die. Adorable. And then there goes the Santa Claus. Those are with the stamps and the oval dies, the oval postage dies. Love those. Set these over here. Made another tag using the fairy dies along with the little hat and the gingerbread bow die. That's that smaller one They're the fun size. There might be mini. I can't remember. But you'll see them in the store. I have everything linked down below so you can catch that there too. Really cute. And I made this tag here using the cocoa mug, and this is the large one. Adorable. That face is just too cute. And like I said, if you need any information, make sure you go back to the previous video so you can see what I used to create those. I use that circle, poster circle die for this and the layering pieces. I went back in to her set and got the add-ons to the cocoa mug and stuff to put in there, and use the holly plate die for that. And I did finish up with the backside using her stamps from last month. And then I also made this card using her circle postage as well as the circle add-ons. Let me get that name for you. Circle card front die. And I just added the small cocoa cup in the center and used the layering bow dies for that. Turned out really cute. Used the 5x5 card base layer die there, and I did layer some of the pieces up in the inside as well. And this little fairy is probably my favorite. Looks like little sugar plums dancing in her head there. I did use the starry background embossing folder, added a little bit of white ink on top to try and make the stars and the snowflakes pop there. But love how that turned out. Those little hats are adorable, and she looks adorable with that hat on in her little red dress. I did finish off the inside. It's just pretty basic, but love how she turned out. And then my last two items were the 3D boxes, and let me show you how that looks. Love this. And like I said, I did use the large treat bag add-ons for this, and then the large treat bag for the back, the layered bow dies, and then this is that border die there. The sentiment tags go there, and love how this turned out. Really cute. Again, I used the large treat bag here, and then I also used the large treat bag for the bottom base too. So it's really nice, very simple to put together, right? And then this is that smaller layered bow die that I put there. And then all the other pieces come with the gingerbread house set, and that's gingerbread house too. All right, so that is about it. Make sure you grab one of those codes, because you're going to need that to check out and get your discount for this go around. Not our codes, but the ones that she has for her Black Friday sale. All right, and make sure you leave a comment here and on Instagram if you want to be entered into the $50 gift certificate for next month. All right, that's all I have for you, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.